Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by picking the right template or a blank sheet. This saves steps. Once chosen, enter clear headers in row 1, then freeze that row so navigation stays stable. Import existing data via copy-paste or file import. Make sure delimiters and date formats match your locale because mismatches create errors. Next, immediately set basic column types, text, number, date, so formulas behave predictably. Then name the sheet and share with stakeholders using view or comment access while you build. You now add the core logic. Implement SUM and average for totals, then countif to track counts. Use VLOOKUP or index/match to pull reference data because they keep sheets normalized. Once done, apply conditional formatting to highlight exceptions and create filtered views so teammates can focus on their slice without changing the master. Make data validation rules, drop-downs, numeric bounds, and date ranges to prevent bad inputs, and protect critical ranges to stop accidental edits while collaboration continues. You finish by assembling a compact dashboard. Add pivot tables, charts, and a summary section with key metrics for quick decisions. Once visible, audit all formulas, trace dependence and precedence so you understand data flow. Share the final sheet with appropriate permissions and add a short usage note. If something breaks, first check cell formats and range references, then validation rules, and finally sharing settings. Often a misformatted date or a shifted range is the culprit, and fixing that restores the calculations.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.